take this apart, like take the whole entire thing off and put it on the floor, put it on a counter, something like that. Okay, so let's see if we have any more grease. Very little. Okay. Yep. Wiped clean. Okay, so now I'm gonna wipe this really fast. Wipe the inside. Inside. The glasses. Da 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 da. Okay. Now, you can always top it off by cleaning the glass. There we go. Okay. And again, if you want to use, regular towels, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. I just prefer the Scott shop towels. You can get them on Amazon. You can get them at Walmart. I have found that when you buy in bulk, it seems to be cheaper. And I have them on a reoccurring plan on Amazon. I have them coming around every 3 weeks because I get 6 rolls, which have 55 sheets on each roll, which doesn't seem like a lot, which seems like a lot, but it goes really fast. Okay, so that's clean. This is clean. Okay, so now you need your handy dandy notebook. Okay, so when you put this back together, okay, I don't know if you noticed what came off, but the handle came off. So we need to make sure that we put this back on correctly. So we're going to put this all the way down as tight as you possibly can. Okay. And the other one as well. Okay. Okay. Ugh, I figured it out. I think. Okay. Hopefully it works. You have to get everything lined up, the handle and everything. Hopefully this works. Okay. Woo! Look at that! So now, I'll let you take it from here as far as cleaning the oven. The things I use to clean the oven are glass cleaner, great value oven cleaner, paper towels, or Scott shop towels, a scraper if you must, microfiber towels, and these are just a few things. You don't have to use all of them, or you don't have to use any of them. I want you to be able to find your niche, find what you like for your oven, and maybe just simple, good old Dawn power wash and some water and some elbow grease does you perfect, and that's awesome. That's awesome. And if you find something else that works, and sometimes I even use the pink stuff. So if something else works and you want to let me know about it, put it down in the comments so I can try it, and then I can tag you in my post or in my video. If you have any questions about anything that I did or comments, please comment down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope that this was useful and educational. Have a good